another video. So it's been a while. I've been doing lots of important stuff and I just had too much on my mind. And today I was thinking I'll start a new let's play, or no let's play, let's make, called Let's Make a Game. So I'm going to be trying to make a game in Roblox Studio because I'm not so skilled in it and I want to try and learn. So yeah, let's get started. So first I want to make a base plate. I think that will look good. Okay. Now I'll try and create something. Maybe first I will add a screen GUI, or GUI, because most people don't like the word GUI for some reason, or GUI. But yeah, that's what I'm going to start off with. So I just made a screen GUI which will it has a play button, a settings button, the game name, my game, like the name. So you've got the settings frame, and yeah, you've got the close script, which is if you click it, it'll open up the settings, which I haven't put anything in yet. Then the play button, you've got the script for that. Then you've got settings, which is exact same thing. And so that's, yeah, I'll have a model for this in the description. But as you can see, if you click play, it will load and then open up the game. Click settings, it takes you to the settings, have the X button, and then you click play, and then it opens you up into your world. Now that's how much I've gone so far, but now I am going to start in the next video. Probably I'm going to start making the terrain and how to make it look really good. Yeah.